Good day and welcome again to another 8downloads.com software preview. And today we are going to discuss about what is HDR. We received an email asking us about HDR and the use of luminance HDR. So therefore, let me define HDR for you. So if you go to Wikipedia, you will see that high dynamic range imaging or HDRI or HDR is a set of methods used in imaging and photography to allow a greater dynamic range between the lightest and the darkest areas of an image than the current standard digital imaging methods or photography methods. Meaning, it's just enhancing it whether it will become more darker or more lighter or more brighter. So there you have it. Now with luminance, you can do that. HDR photography is very simple using Luminance HDR and can be downloaded at 8downloads.com. How? This is what we're going to do. We'll just open an image. So let's just say I'll go and select on my pictures. And let's see. Okay, how about enhancing the color of my... One moment, let's just see. New HDR image. Next, let's say let's add a picture. Let's say I'll go to my bass guitar and let's try to use this photography. Okay, next, finish. So there, as you can see, this is the original picture, the original tone of my picture, and right now the HDR image has been set already. So as you can see, basing it from the original and from the non-original picture, let's look at my original picture. So I can compare everything with you. So let's see. So IFS. So as you can see here, in this picture, it has a darker edge here and a light edge here. Now with Luminance HDR, I can even make the darker edge more brighter and everything including the light is balanced. So that's HDR photography. And this is Chris saying have a great day to all.